There is no doubt that swimming is one of the best way to burn fat and lose weight, and you can burn about 500 calories per hour when you swim. After all, it works your whole body, yet it's gentle on joints, reducing the risk of injury. And you don't need to worry about the smell of hot sweaty armpits afterwards. Now in this video I will share with you 9 awesome benefits of swimming. Swimming burns mega calories. Did you know swimming burns approximately 500 to 750 calories per hour based on a 150-pound woman? These calories can be more or less depending on your weight and stroke style. If you combine your swimming workout with healthy eating, you will achieve weight loss and feel great. Swimming helps you stay flexible. Swimming requires you to reach, stretch, twist, and pull your way through the water. Your ankles become fins and are stretched with each kick as you push off against the liquid pressure. This doesn't mean you shouldn't still stretch on your own, but repetitive stretching found in your various strokes also helps with flexibility. Swimming strengthens muscles. The resistance of water can be 44 times greater than air, meaning you have to work harder to move through it. It's like working out with weights or machines without the need for expensive equipment, which makes swimming an affordable way to strengthen your muscles. Swimming is healthy for your heart. Swimming also helps improve the most important muscle in our bodies, the heart. Because swimming is an aerobic exercise, it serves to strengthen the heart, not only helping it to become larger, but making it more efficient in pumping, which leads to better blood flow throughout your body. Swimming is sweat-free. As a swimmer, you'll never get overheated or feel sweaty because the water around you is constantly cooling you down. Swimming reduces stress. Swimming is a great way to release tension and stress. Swimming is easy on the joints. For anyone who suffers from joint pain, low-impact exercise, like swimming, is an ideal form of exercise. Swimming has mental health benefits too. Not only will taking a dip in the pool help you get physically fit, but it can help to keep your mind in good shape too. Rhythmic and aerobic forms of exercise, just like swimming, have been proven to help with depression. Plus, adding a swim into your routine is a great way to unwind after a hard day. Swimming improves your mood. It doesn't matter what exactly is your swimming level, swimming can make you feel better and improve your mental health. Smile and go swimming. So, what are you waiting for? Go get your swimsuit ready and hit the water. There's nothing like diving into the pool to get your body and your mind in shape and make this summer the best one yet. If you like this video, please like and subscribe or share it with your friends on Facebook.